Have you ever played a game where actually completing quests unlocks rewards for your whole squad? This isn't just solo grinding, it's shared premium power. Let me show you now how we can level up more cleverly. And of course, for any finance and cryptocurrency content, please make sure to do your own research before investing, as we are not financial advisors and this video does not constitute financial advice. All the relevant links will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I'm excited to bring you this one. Let's get to it. All right, folks, I'm absolutely buzzing to talk to you about today's video, the Sandbox Sand token. This is an OG project in the space and one of the very few gaming projects in crypto that have actually built and fleshed out a massive sort of pixelated style metaverse, right? Think of it a bit like Roblox. I sort of like to think of it as the Minecraft of cryptocurrency. It stood the test of time, has loads of active users, still a very relevant project, and to be honest, there hasn't been a better time to get involved and buy a premium pass. It only costs 30 sand tokens, which at the moment really isn't much, and that's basically going to let you get involved, play games, earn experience points, all with the aim of getting more sand tokens, which you can then cash out for real money since it is a cryptocurrency, of course. Right, so the premium pass, everyone, that's what this is all about. Now, everyone, it's really easy to go ahead and mint a premium pass. Personally, I'd recommend that you set up a MetaMask wallet and things like that. Get it all set up. You can use different blockchains like Polygon or Ethereum, all right? Now, if we scroll down here, have a look at this, all right? So, welcome to the NFT marketplace. It's as straightforward as this. You've got the mint premium pass option right here. So, let's go ahead. I just want to show you how easy it really is to go ahead and do this. So, basically, that'll bring us here, all right? As I mentioned earlier, you can earn more rewards with the premium pass. The Sandbox, currently 30 sand, which is $550 US. All right, you can now pay with a credit card, so you don't even need to have crypto. You can literally just link your card and get it sorted, all right? And you can get yours for 30 sand, as we can see here. All right, and as I mentioned, everyone, this is going to let you get that bonus sand and premium rewards. Now, the last time I had a proper go at Sandbox myself was about a year ago, and I actually earned a few $100s worth of sand. So I can tell you from my own personal experience that it's definitely quite worth it. All right, everyone, so we're now here in the events section for the Builders era, okay? So once you go ahead using the link in the description, you'll get that $550 USD premium pass. It's super easy, all right? You'll need your KYC to do it, but that's really straightforward as well. You can come over here and start playing the Sandbox, everyone. There's $250,000 worth in the actual sand pool here, and this is where your earnings will add up. All right, so these are your actual sand earnings here. All right, so let's have a quick look at this. You'll earn sand throughout the Builders era by completing Battle Pass levels, all right? And I've done this myself. Everyone, it's brilliant. Open partner sand chests, all right? Open landowner sand chests and get a share of the sand pool. It's really easy to go ahead and do it. And basically, the way to build that up is essentially by increasing your experience points. And how do you do that? All right, turn your hologram into an avatar, okay? Complete your quests, play spotlight experiences, finish social challenges, invite your friends, and own an avatar as an NFT. They've also got some NFT Sandbox land, and actually, I do have a land plot myself. I bought it about 3 years ago, and I've been holding on to it because I've been waiting for, well, this bloody bull market to finally take off, and I reckon it's going to be well worth it. And honestly, if you're even slightly into casual gaming, this is the platform for you. It's loads of fun. You can earn experience and real money at the same time. So these are just showing you some examples of different little metaverse worlds where you can go in, play these games, take part in battles, have really fun social experiences, and earn those experience points. Right, so this one here, for example, looks pretty cool. The Smurfs Alchemist Chaos. So for instance, here you've got EP. All right, that's experience points, 20 bonus. Okay, so you get 20 points for playing that one. So it gives you all the data. All right, get the Sandbox launcher. Download the launcher. Okay, so do remember, if you want to play quite a lot of these, you'll actually need to download that launcher onto your device to go ahead and play as well. Aside from that, we've got some other really cool ones as well, okay? Have a look at this. It's been played, as you can see, 11,000 times, right? Some of these look really cool. If you're someone who's into something like this one here, like Dreamland by AIMC, this is cool, all right? What I really like about this is that a lot of different creators can actually come in and build these experiences. See, look at this one, for example. You can get 3,000 total experience points for this one down in the bottom right corner. This one right here, okay? So invite your friends and earn EP. Earn up to 3,000 EP when your friends complete level 10. So all you have to do there is copy your referral, share it, and you earn 300 EP when a friend completes that level 10. You get your own little referral link down there as well. So many little cool, exciting perks and benefits here as well. And over here, okay, this is the actual sand pool here. Okay, so again, once you've got that premium pass, which you can actually buy, you can actually start coming onto this leaderboard here. As you can see, look at this, folks. We've got someone at the top of the leaderboard here, Kai10. They've got 518 sand rewards. Okay, pretty cool, right? Okay, so you can get amongst there as well. So yeah, guys, it's really just about accumulating those points, earning that sand token. Also, folks, there's a cool bonus they've got going on at the moment. If you own actual NFTs from the Cirque du Soleil collection, which you can see right here, or the Jurassic Park collection, you're going to be getting extra bonus experience points too. You can also unlock exclusive avatars there and a ton of experience points too. That's what it's all about. You kind of have to get on the ones they're promoting first and then work your way back down. This is also going to give you a solid multiplier boost. Again, it's simple. Just getting you more experience points, more sand token, more cash in your pocket for playing games. And if you thought that wasn't good enough, it's easy to earn even more experience points. You simply have to go over and follow them right here on X. Participating in events, completing community challenges, it's super easy, all right? It's also great, like if I'm not really sure about something that's going on and I want to catch up with the latest news, I just head over to their X account and see what's happening. This one here, for example, the Smurf Sandbox. I mean, how cool does that look? We mentioned that to you at the start of the video, and that's actually how I found out about it. I went and checked it out afterwards. So yeah, everything you do there, again, gets reflected in your leaderboard position once you get started. They've also got a brand new matchmaking quest section, right? So if you need to do some matchmaking for certain quests, and maybe you don't have a mate to jump in with, they've made it really easy to go ahead and do that now. It's all right here. So what are you waiting for? Don't just play smart. Get your premium pass, play quests, and unlock shared rewards that enhance your whole experience. The more EP, that is experience points, you earn, the bigger your share of the sand pool. So folks, what are you waiting for? Go on, spend that $550 US. Come and experience the benefits. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of downtime and you're going to play some games anyway, then what have you got to lose? You might as well start earning some real cash while you're at it. Earn experience points by buying it for $550. You can pay with a credit card and earn sand tokens from that. All right, maybe go on. You can grab a plot of land, pick up some Cirque NFTs if you want to take it further, if you're really enjoying it, because honestly, this looks pretty cool, to be quite frank with you. And yeah, I can't think of a better way to play some games while also earning a bit of cash. Okay, so you can play that video there and have a look at it as well if you have some time. So yeah, folks, if you've got any questions about the Sandbox, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we really look forward to seeing you in the next Sandbox video. We'll see you in the Sandbox.